হইবে সবে সহজ কৃষ্ণ লীলা রসময় হইবে সবে সহজ হইবে সবে সহজ কৃষ্ণ লীলা রসময় পরম আনন্দে সকলে মিলিয়া রাধিকা চরণে রব এই পরাকাষ্ঠা সিদ্ধি করে হবে রাধা পদা সব পরমানন্দে সকলে মিলিয়া রাধিকা চরণে রব এই পরাকাষ্ঠা সিদ্ধি করে হবে রাধা
अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की गौर प्रेमानंद। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Yesterday we also talked about Bhava Bhakti. Well, three types of bhakti actually we discussed. One is called Sadhana Bhakti, another is called Bhava Bhakti, another is the Prema Bhakti. Sadhana Bhakti from Shraddha to Asakti, that is called Sadhana Bhakti. Kriti Saddha, Bhavit Saddha, Sa Sadhana Vida, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakattam Hridi Sadhyata. One who performs bhajan and sadhana with his limbs and body, but his aim and object, how to attain the wondrous spiritual mood of the Brajavasis. So these types of bhakti is called sadhana bhakti. So kriti saddha, bhavit saddha, sa sadhana vidha, nitya siddhasya bhavasya prakatam hiri saddha. Nitya siddha Brajavasi, those who are the eternal associates of Krishna. In their hearts spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, because they are called, what do you say? Ragatmik jana. Raga atmik, spontaneous love and affection with that Krishna. Raga atmik. And because they are called the Sarup Shakti Prakash, they are direct manifestation of Krishna's internal potency. Sarup Shakti Prakash. In their hearts spontaneous. So yesterday we also discussed sadhana bhakti, two functions also we discussed. What is that? What are the two functions of sadhana bhakti? क्या बोला था? भक्त, आवेश साधन भक्ति. How to clean all kinds of anarthas from the heart. That is called anartha nivritti. How to free from all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things. Lust, anger, indebtedness, name, fame, reputation, many kinds of this. Anarthas is there. Sarup Brahm, Hidaya Durbullo, Asat Trishna, Aparad. So, how to free from all kinds of anartha nivritti. Our second,
one particle dust of the mood of the Brajgopas.
How to attain the particular mood of the Brajavasis. Anartha nivritti, and simultaneously how to get the particular mood of Brajavasis. So sadhana bhakti, this thing also discussed. Atasya Krishna namadi no bhaved grajya indri sevan mukhi jihadu samavaspratitada. When our sevan mukh vritti will come, and that time all the limbs and body will become the tadatma bhav with our senses. And with the tadatma vritti, then Krishna nam rup gun, that is called transcendental, will automatically manifest in our heart. Because yesterday we told all our limbs and body material. How will we will chant holy names? Because holy names are transcendental. Nam, Rupa, Gun. Or our tongue, eyes, nose, everything is what? That is called material. So the Atasya Krishna Namadi no bhavid grajya indriya. Sevanmukhi jihadu. When was Sevanmukh vritti will come. Tendency to serve Guru and Krishna. Then automatically all our senses will become tada atma vritti, tad atmaka vritti. Oneness with the potency of Lord. Just give an example. The iron rod cannot burn anything. But same iron rod, piece of iron, you put in the fire, then after a couple of minutes, that iron rod will become red. That means all the heat of the fire enter in the iron. And that time that iron rod can burn anything. Anything and everything.
Same as fire.
Same fire. The same way when tadatma vritti will come. So conditional soul, that is called bhogatma vritti. Bhog vritti. Enjoy to sense gratification. And bhog vritti. So two kinds of vritti is coming. One is called what is it?
Tad atma.
Sevatma vritti, or another is called bhogatma vritti. Bhog vritti. Conditional souls, nature bhog vritti, to enjoy sense gratification. But with the association sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then slowly his spontaneous nature of the soul, jiva sabhav will awaken, jagera, awaken in his heart. And all anartha slowly remove. This is the process. So atasya Krishna namadi na bhaved grajya indri sevanmukhi vritti samvispurata tada. Sevanmukhi vritti will come. So sadhana bhakti also the shraddha to asakti. Shraddha, sadhusanga, bhajana kriya, anartha vritti, nishtha, ruchi, asakti. This is called sadhana bhakti. But all these stages also, many kinds of also stages are there. Not one stage. Shraddha, just again also explain. How many kinds of Shraddha? One is called Lokik Shraddha, another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha. Lokik means worldly faith. Worldly faith. Mukhe Ved Mane. Just they worldly respect the Vedas, following the some rule, something this. Actually not perfectly. That is called worldly faith. Or another is called Paramarthiki Shraddha, spirituality. And faith is coming. And with the association of sadhu, then he thinking, oh, my life is spoiled. I did not bhajana and sadhana. After my death, I have to go to hell. So that time thinking, I have to practice bhajana and sadhana. Sadhu Shastra, Guru Vakya, Chittate Koriya Vaikya, Arna Koriya Manasa, Nattam Das Thakur, Prem Bhakti Chandrika also explain this. Sadhu Vakya, the instruction of Sadhu, instruction of Guru and instruction of Shastra, scriptures. That when this the faith coming, that is called the Paramarthiki Shraddha. But this Paramarthiki Shraddha again also develop, and that is called Attantiki Shraddha. Attantiki Shraddha, from faith. That is called Dhrida Shraddha. Sanskrit word, that is called
Dhrida.
Dhrida Shraddha, from faith. Do or die. Khanda khanda jadi deva pran, tathapi bodhane na chhadibo Krishna naam. If my body cut in pieces, I will not give up Harinam. That is called perfect called Attantiki Shraddha. Then again more develop Paramarthiki Shraddha, more develop. And that time also two kinds of Shraddha. One is called Vaishwarjamai Shraddha, Vaidhi Shraddha, or another is called Raganuga Shraddha. The Vaidhi Shraddha and Raganuga Shraddha. Because when you more and more associate sadhu, sadhu sangha, then automatically of your lotus of heart automatically open one petal. Understand? Hidai Kamal, because one petal of the lotus of your heart would be open. In the same way, more and more associated with sadhu sangha, then you enter in the deep philosophy. Because our scriptures explain two kinds of philosophy. One is called sadharana vichar, another is called visesh vichar. Sadharana vichar, that is called general conception. Or visesh vichar, special conception coming. Because gross-minded people, sthula vichar, they cannot understand the deep meaning, deep philosophy. If you say to deep philosophy, then they will be asleep. They can't understand. Sometimes they also confuse. Their mind will also disturb. Many things. In our Shastra, there are so many, what is it called? Sukshma vichar, minute, and conception. If I tell one time, then people will be confused. So doing bhajan and sadhana, association sadhu sangha, then slowly your petals of the heart, one by one, open. That means you will enter deep philosophy. So now coming here, one is called Vaidhi Saddha, or another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Look, how many types of Shraddha I told you. One is called Vaidhi Saddha, another is called Raganuga Shraddha. Rules and only following the rules and regulations of the scriptures. That is called Vaidhi Shraddha. Raganuga Shraddha, with the associate of high class, exalted, Brajrosik, Sadhu and Guru, and that kinds of Shraddha, faith will come in your heart. So Vaidhi Shraddha leads to Vaikuntha, or Raganuga Shraddha leads to Guru Vrindavan. Simple way. So Vaidhi Shraddha is also another name called Oisarjamayi Shraddha also. What is Oisarja? What did he say? Oisarjamayi Shraddha, which means the opulence mood. What is the opulence mood? He is Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi. Understand? So Gurudev told, Sai Maharaj preached in Western country. What did he preach? What did he say? Krishna is Bhagavan. Krishna is to Bhagavan. Gurudev told. Bhaktivedanta Sai Maharaj told. Bhagavad Srimad Bhagavad says. Gurudev told, no, I want to forget with this. Don't think Krishna is Bhagavan. Who is Krishna? Krishna is the maid servant of Radhika. Krishna, Gurudev told, Krishna is the an ordinary cowherd boy. Brajavasi. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj. Understand? So sometimes you confuse. Oh, why Nanda Maharaj said these things? My Gurudev told Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. Then Nanda Maharaj preaching opposite way. The against of my Prabhupada. But they don't understand. Brajavasi's mood. Brajavasi, those the residents of Braj Vrindavan, they never think Krishna is Bhagavan. They think Krishna is our family member. So which mood is it? So in this way, at the time you speak, that time there will be what? Completely what? What is it called? Disturbed. Their mind will be disturbed. So Gurudev told, I want to make forget to you. What forget? Krishna is Bhagavan. So forget to Krishna is not Bhagavan. Krishna is our friend. Krishna is our son. Or Krishna is our beloved. This one. So now we say the Oisarjamala Bhakti, Eh? Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, all their residents of Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, they are thinking Krishna is, which Krishna? Krishna is Bhagavan. Eh? Who is Bhagavan? He has two qualities that is called Atmaram, Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. He is Almighty. Eh? Sarvashaktiman. Eh? He is the possessor of the potencies. Sarvashaktiman. Eh? Yes, this. Brajavasi, they never think Krishna is Almighty and or Krishna is Atmaram, Aptakam. They never think this. And Mother Yashoda, she thinks Krishna is my an innocent baby. Eh? Just what is called? Drinking the milk, baby. The smell coming from his mouth. Eh? Understand? Baby drinking the milk, sucking the breast of mother. Also, what smell coming? Milk. So Ma Yashoda, she is thinking this way only. Eh? How possible Krishna is Bhagavan? Eh? Look this. What kinds of their love and affection. Eh? Though Krishna manifested many kinds of opulence, Aishwarya, he lifted Giriraj Govardhan, only 7 years old. He killed Putana when he was only 6 days baby. Eh? He killed Aghasur, Bakasur, many demons, Trinavarta, Sakatasur. Eh? Even Krishna, he danced on the hoods of Kalyanak. They saw with their own eyes. Eh? But they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. They know Krishna drank the fire. Eh? Dabanal Bhakshan Lila. Eh? But they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Even Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. Eh? But gopis, they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Eh? Actually, this is the mood of Brajavasi, Braj mood. Eh? This is called the sweetness mode. Eh? Madhurya. So now coming in this is Shraddha. Look how Shraddha is going different ways. Eh? More and more deep philosophy will enter. Then one is called Vaisarjamayi Shraddha, another is called Madhurjamayi Shraddha. Same Shraddha. Eh? Different direction, different way. Vaisarjamayi Shraddha going to Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura. Or Madhurjamayi Shraddha going to direct Goloka, Vrindavan. Eh? So I am saying this sadhu sangha, then all this is. So Shraddha is going on this. Then sadhu sangha. Eh? So sadhu sangha also different kinds of sadhu. All sadhus are not same. Eh? Different moods of the sadhu. Eh? Kurmi sadhu, Gyani sadhu, Yogi sadhu, Bhakta sadhu, many kinds of sadhu. And Bhakta sadhu also different. All sadhus are not same mood. Eh? Do you understand? When you deeply analyze more also, even in Braj, gopis, they are also not all their same mood also. Eh? Some gopis also mukhar, prakhara. Prakhara, understand? Very talkative. As a Lalita Devi. Eh? Lalita Devi. Lalita Devi is called prakhara. Very talkative. Chastisement. Eh? Visakha Devi, Mugdha. Eh? So in this way, deep analyze all these tattva in there. And many kinds of Sakhis are also there. If you will become the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, there are many kinds of Sakhis also there. Eh? Now can you understand? If you go there, you completely confused. Huh? Huh? These are things. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Prana Sakhi, Prishta Sakhi, Prana Prishta Sakhi. Eh? There are many things. Again, Sakhis also 3 types of Sakhis. Eh? Krishna Paksha Sakhis. Those who are mind entangled with Krishna. That's a Krishna Paksha Sakhi. Brinda, Vindarika, Dhanishta. Eh? If you want to serve to Krishna under guidance of Brinda, Vrindarika, Dhanishta, then you will be over there. And that's Sakhi. Krishna Paksha, you go Krishna Paksha. Sakhi. Or one is called Ubhay Paksha Sakhi. Ubhay means both sides. They love Radha and Krishna. That's why 8 Sakhis they are called also Ubhay. Ubhay means both. Both sides they love and Krishna. And Lalita, Visakha, they are Ubhay Paksha Sakhi. Or another is called, what is they called? Radha Paksha Sakhi. Only their intents, their mind, only one pointed, entangled with Srimati Radhika. Radha Paksha Sakhi. Who are they? Manjaris. Yes? Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhis, they are called Manjari Bhav. Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this mood through Rupa Goswami Pad. Manjari Bhav Paddhatis. Manjari Bhav Seva Paddhati. The process to how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Manjari. And especially Rupa Manjari Anugattamayi Seva. Or Ananga Manjari Anugattamayi Seva. Generally also we have Rupa Manjari Seva Paddhati is the topmost. What I will tell to you, Bhaktivinoda Thakur conception, which service is highest? Ananga Manjari. You never heard, so I did not tell to you. And you will confuse. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained Ananga Manjari Seva, Anugattamayi Seva, to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari is Anugattamayi Seva. Lord Srimati Radhika, topmost seva. This is very confidential. General people, they know what things. Rupa Manjari Anugattamayi Seva. We serve to Srimati Radhika, lotus feet of Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari, Sri Rupa Manjari Kara Archita Pada Padma, Goswandana Bhuja Arpita Mastakaya, Ha Madhata Kanaka Gori Padaran Sarmeni Sanaka Istava King Karise. Bilap Kusumanjali, Rupa Manjari Anugattamayi Seva. Understand? Nartam Das Thakur sang this song also. What they sang? Kabe loka natha more sange laya jabe sirupera pad padme more samor pibe. Where my Gurudev Loknath Das Goswami? Manjulali. Loknath Das Goswami's transcendental constitutional form Siddhadeva Manjulali. Where my Gurudev Manjulali, that means Loknath Das Goswami, bring in front of Rupa Manjari. And Rupa Manjari offered to lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. That means I serve to Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. Rupa Manjari Anugattamayi Seva Prakti. Understand? But Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kamal Manjari, latest, Saptam Goswami. Saptam Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he also manifested very nice, beautiful lila, beautiful tattva siddhanta, how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of how to serve Srimati under guidance of Ananga Manjari. If I tell you, you cannot digest, so no need to speak too much. This is enough for you. Then whole night you cannot sleep. What do you do? All you know, you serve Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari, Rupanuga Seva Bhakti. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur, I am not saying these things. If you read Bhaktivinoda Thakur article, Ananga Manjari Seva, Anugattamayi Seva, this is also special service. Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his song also very nice. Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Where is the Sananda Sukhada Kunja? In the middle of Radha Kunda. That is called the Ananga Manjari's Kunja is there. And that Kunja's name is called Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Sananda Sukhada Kunja. Ananga Manjari's. So what kinds of pastime is going on this way? Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad very nicely glorified about this Lila Tattva Darshan. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, seventh Goswami, Saptam Goswami, Bhaktivinoda Thakur manifested how to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari, Anugattamai Seva. So, 5 types of Sakhis. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Peshta Sakhi, Prana Peshta Sakhi. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi and Pran Sakhi, they are called Manjari Bhav. They are only one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Amita Radhika Radhashi. I am only the maidservant of Srimati Radhika. Radha Dasham. Understand or not? Not so easy to understand. If you listen first time, you cannot understand also. But I tell you something. Maybe one day your curiosity will come. Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasangmanam. Jadi Vilasa Kalasa Kitu Kutu Halam. Madhura Komolo Kanto Padavaling. Shrunutada Jayadeva Saraswati. Jayadeva Goswami Pad wrote Gita Govinda invocation slok and giving Asirvad blessing to us. Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasangamana. Jadi Vilasa Kalasa Kutuhalam. I mean, tell you what Kutuhalam means. If you have curiosity. Curiosity. Understand it? Discovery channel. Why people are looking the discovery channels, the material discovery channel. You have to see the discovery channel of spiritual world. Spiritual world discovery channel. You have to see. You have to see. And how to go Vaikuntha Dham. How to go Apar Vaikuntha Dham. Ramalok, Ajitha Lok. How to go Dwarka Dham. How to go Mathura Dham. How will go Vrindavan Dham. Brahma Samhita. Actually, Brahma Samhita actually perfect spiritual discovery channel. Understand? If you read Brahma Samhita, I am saying this is the perfect spiritual discovery channel. Sometimes we think they are how to go material world, Devi Dham, then different. Actually, this is called the perfect discovery channel, spiritual discovery channel. Then this is not enough. More deep discovery channel under our Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, then Ujjalin Mani Grantha. There is a perfect discovery channel. If you have curiosity, otherwise if you have curiosity of material sense gratification, stupid nonsense, chatting, putting, dating, putting, what is it? That's stupid nonsense and you wasted your time. Understand? Don't go to say stupid nonsense thing. Throw your mobile, throw your computer. Stupid nonsense. Because you are not qualified. If you have what you got a mobile, then you are chatting, putting. What is it called? Chatting, putting, dating, putting. Go to the Discovery channel. What discovery? Spiritual Discovery channel. Brahma Samhita. Very nice, beautiful. And not only this also, I told what? Brahma Samhita. Then Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Discovery channel. Understand? Then Discovery channel go Ujjalin Mani Grantha. Highest. Not only this also, more go. Our Goswami's Granthas. Very nice, beautiful Granthas. Rup Goswami Pad. What is it called? How do you call the name of this? Jiv Goswami Pad, Rup Goswami Pad. That Grantha. Very nice, beautiful. Just I forget the name. Utkalika Ballari. Utkalika Ballari. Very nice, beautiful discovery channel. Sometimes they say, do you want to come? If you want to leave the discovery channel, what is it called? Utkalika Ballari. Name is what? Utkalika. Very nice, beautiful name. Utkalika Ballari. And our Vishwanath Chakravarti was Grantha also. So now coming in this way, Sadhu Sangha. Okay, I'll explain the Sadhu, different Sadhu Sangha. Different sadhus, different modes, and such mode how is coming this way. Because everything depends on your Curiosity. This is the main thing here. Jadi Hari Smarane Sarasang Manon, Jadi Bilasa Kalasa Kutuhalam, Madhura Kamala Kanta Kadavalim, Shrunutada Jai Deva Saraswatim. Understand this? If you have Shraddha, then automatically you have all kinds of material and last anger automatically disappear. If you are eating, that is called good. Good ka? Molasses. And if you want to give you high class, expensive sweet from Vrindavan, that is called rabdi, malai, kachun. If you go Mathura, that is called, what is called? Brajavasi, Mishtanna Bhandar. Brajavasi, sweet shop. Then you can see what kinds of their sweets are. Then automatically you are thinking, oh, this good molasses is what? Useless. Then you licking here. Very nice. Fortune. Rabdi, malai. Just, Because why I am saying? Because Shastra says, when your higher taste will come, automatically lower taste disappear. Higher taste will come, automatically lower taste disappear. It's simple. So, sadhu sangha, then sadhu sangha. Then, sadhu shraddha, tato sadhu sangha. Sadhu also, Vedimarga sadhu, Ragamarga sadhu. Always try to associate with Ragamarga sadhu. Then Ragamarga sadhu is so different. Vrindavan bhav, Anaradha Radha Padam Bhajarenu, Anasrita Vindavatavi Tat Padankam, Osambasa Tad Bhava Gambhir Chitan, Kota Sama Sindhu Rasa Sahava Gav. If you really to submerge in the divine love of Radha and Krishna, always associate with high class, exalted, Brajarasik sadhu. And listen to this time katha. Tasmin Mahan Mukarita Madhuvit Charitra. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Yesterday I told. Sukadeva Goswami Patra Parikshit, 3 days already passed. You did not drink water, you did not eat anything. Because your throat choked and your lips already dried. So you have to drink some water. You eat something. But Parikshit Maharaj, what did he say? Tasmin Mahana Mukrita Madhuvit Charitra. Sukadeva Goswami told them. Parikshit Maharaj uttered these words. Tasmin Mahan Mukrita Madhuvit Charitra. Madhuvit Katha. Madhuvit means Krishna. Krishna's very nice, beautiful, Armas pastimes. I am listening from your lotus leaves. Automatically all kinds of mud. Trishna. Trishna means thirst, hunger, everything's disappear. And please, more and more, you speak Krishna Lila Katha, Govinda Lila Amrita. Govinda Lila Katha. Gaura Govinda Lila Sunaye. Gaura Govinda Lila, I forget this, Narottam Das Thakur. Gaura Govinda Lila Sunaye Galay Sila. Gaura Govinda Lila Sune Galay Sila. Even the Gaur Govinda Lila Katha will listen. Even the stone will be what? Melt. How is Sundar? Beautiful. Govinda Lila Katha. That means Govinda Lila Amrit or Sri Krishna Bhavana Amrit Katha. Gaura Govinda Lila. Gaur Katha and Govinda Lila. Or Gaur Govinda Lila Katha. When Krishna played the flute, everybody's heart completely melted. Even the stone in Vrindavan completely melted. If you go Kambavan, in the top of the mountain, you can see there. When Krishna played the flute, the stone completely melted. Have you seen or not? Did you know go Vrindavan?
I was, but I don't remember this place, how it looks.
Kambavan. Here we the Vrinda Devi, come over. So Krishna played the flute, then stone melted. And as like clay. Then Krishna's footprints are there. Krishna's footprints. And if you go Bari Baitan, Choti Baitan, also you can see there many footprints of the animals. Animals' footprints are. Deer footprints are there. And the footprints of peacock. Peacock peahen fruit. And camel. Or elephants' footprints are there. Look this. So saying Gaura Govinda Lila Sunay Garle Sila. Krishna Paribangshidhan. How the sound of the flute of Govinda? Krishna played the flute. What is that? Very nice. Everybody heard it. That is called Benu Gita. Benu Gita. The sound of the flute of Govinda. And everybody heard it. And all the gopis, though they were staying in their house, they cannot survive to each others. That time they also Varnantu. They that time start to discuss about Govinda Katha. So how will meet with Krishna? Gopis, they are thinking, how will you now meet with Krishna? Because there's daytime. Daytime. How will we meet with our beloved Krishna? Our husband, our mother-in-law, father-in-law, all they are strictly, what is it called? Guarding to us. How will go? That time they are thinking only one process, how to meet with Krishna. Mahatir kripa bina kono karme, Mahatir kripa bina kono karme bhakti nahi, Krishna bhakti durehu samsara nahi. Chaitanya. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Mahat, high class exalted, bhakti will not manifest. So in our Braj, who is the Mahat person? What is the great person? Giriraj Govardhan. Chalo Sakhi? Oh Sakhi, we have to go Giriraj Govardhan. Because Giriraj Govardhan is the topmost servitor of our beloved Krishna. Govinda Sevak. Hantaya Udri Avala Haridas Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparasa Pramodam Manang Tanoti Sahagopaganai Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamulai. Gopis now they glorified about Giriraj Govardhan. Srimad Bhagavatam glorified 3 Haridasa. Haridasa means servant of Hari, Krishna. And first is called Yudhishthira Maharaj. Second, Uddhava. Or third, Giriraj Govardhan. Haridasu Varja. Varja means topmost. And he is the topmost servant of our beloved Krishna. Haridasu Varja. Then they glorified Giriraj Govardhan. Mahat Sangha. Understand? Mahato Sangha Prabhava. Sukdev, Sanatana Goswami Pad, Ishmael, Brihad Bhagavatamritam. How is the powerful the influence of the association of sadhus? Sadhu Sangha. Mahato Sangha Prabhava. Prabhava, understand? Influence. Sangha means association. Association of sadhu, high class of sadhu. Mahato Sangha Prabhava. So in Braj, who is the topmost sadhu? Gopis are saying, but it is actually this verse uttered by Srimati Radhika. Understand? Mahato Sangha Prabhavo. Without taking shelter of lotus feet, Giriraj Govardhan. How possible we will attain our beloved Krishna? This is their humility. They know Mahabhavastata. They are thinking this. Chalo Sakhi. Sakhi, we are go to Giriraj Govardhan. We worship to Giriraj Govardhan. We pray to Giriraj Govardhan. Understand? If you want to Braja Bhakti, you have to worship Giriraj Govardhan. Without Giriraj mercy, not possible. So they are saying this way. This is their humility. They know. What they saying? Hantaya Udri Abala Haridasa Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramodam Manang Tanuti Sahagopaganai Paniya Sujavasa Kandara Kandamulai. Learn this look. Who knows? Should I know? Who knows? You?
Yeah.
You know, no. Yes, learn everybody. Hantaya Udri. Hantaya, alas. Or become very surprised. Understand? Bismay. Bismay, alas. Surprise. What is the English word? Astonishment. क्या बोलता है?
Amazed.
Astonishment. Become very surprised. Look, Giriraj Govardhan, how he is servicing our beloved Krishna. Govinda Seva. What is it? Antaranga Seva. Antaranga is very, very deep. What is called? Servicing. Antaranga Seva. Intimate service. Very confidential service. Who has? Giriraj Govardhan. Antaya Adri Giriraj Govardhan. Anta Udri Abala Haridasu Varjo. He is called Haridasu Varjo. He is the topmost servant of Krishna. Haridasu Varjo. Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramoda. Na Rama Krishna. Rama means Balarama or Krishna. When Krishna used to go herding the cows, and that time they also climbed up and the top of the Giriraj Govardhan. Krishna Balaram. They also going top of the Giriraj Govardhan. Why? Because they are looking at the cows. Because cows are grazing very far. Because not 1, 2 cows. How many cows? Millions cows are there. So some cows are running here and there. So Krishna Balaram, they also climbed in the top of the Giriraj Govardhan. And Krishna played the flute, and automatically all the cows making sound, hamba, 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 hamba. And they also raised their tails and have coming very close to Krishna. Or another meaning, Rama Krishna. Ram means Ramayatiti Rama, not Balram here. Gopi, they are not taking the name of Balram. Those who are the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, especially Srimati Radhika, she does not take the name of Balram. Rama Krishna. Ram means Ramayati Rama. Krishna's lotus feet is very beautiful. His lotus feet always dancing on her chest. So for this regard, she is remembering. Very nice, beautiful. Krishna's lotus feet, very nice, beautiful, reddish color. And smear the kumkum of the breast of Srimati Radhika. So Rama Krishna. Yeah, Ram means not Balram. Yeah, Ram means Krishna's very nice, beautiful, reddish color feet. Rama Krishna. So just there the kumkum. Kumkum Ranjita. That means Krishna's lotus feet smeared with the breast of Srimati Radhika. And that color also had kumkum touch the stone of Giriraj Govardhan. Then Giriraj Govardhan start to set. Romanch. So Rama Krishna Charana Pramodo. This is the mode, high class mode. He's saying this way, look. So Giriraj Govardhan, how is very fortunate. Because Krishna, he is playing on the top of the mountain of Giriraj. Understand? So Giriraj Govardhan is very fortunate. So Giriraj Govardhan is the best sadhu. We have to go there and text. So Hantaya Adri Abala Haridasu Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsha Pramoda Manang Tanati Saha Gopa Gani. And Giriraj Govardhan, he serves our beloved Krishna. Not our beloved Krishna, he serves to all the Brajavasis. Because Giriraj Govardhan is high. What is called? Lambi uchi.
Himalayas.
Giriraj Govardhan is very
Tall.
tall. So, especially in the summer time, in the shade of Giriraj Govardhan, all Brajavasis, they are also taking rest. Especially midday, when very hot, that time they also taking rest. Herding the cows, Krishna, Balaram and all his friends, and taking rest. And the shade of Giriraj Govardhan. That is Giriraj Govardhan. In this way, he serves Krishna and all Brajavasis also. Not only this, in the winter time, very nice, little bit warm water falling down. Winter time need is what? Warm water. And this warm water, they are taking bath. Or drinking water. Or summer time, Giriraj Govardhan, he gives very nice cool water. That time no fridge, no ice cream. Understand? So for the Giriraj Govardhan, winter, summer time giving very cool water. That time they are taking bath. Understand? That is called waterfalls coming. Have you taken bath in the waterfalls? Canada or is it called Nigro? Niagara Falls. Water coming down. How many meters? 50 meters far. Water is falling down. Then you can take bath. You can every day taking bath in the, what is it called? Shower. But if you go there, very nice. Have you been out there? Who went? No one. Maybe Kamala. Sita Kamala every year. So Giriraj Govardhan in this way. Subal, Siddham, all they are with Krishna. They are very happy when the Giriraj, when the what is called waterfall. Very nice cooling water coming down there and take bath. And also swimming, water in there. So in this way, Giriraj Govardhan, he serves Krishna. Not only this, many kinds of flowers in the top of a Giriraj Govardhan. Gopis sometimes they also plucking, collecting the flowers and making very nice garland and offer to Radha and Krishna. Understand it? Gathiya Malatir Mala Diva Duhari Gali. And Giriraj Govardhan, he also makes very nice, beautiful Ratna Singhasan. Ratna Singhasan is very nice, beautiful, golden throne. Ratna Singhasan. Radha and Krishna, they are sitting together. Giriraj Govardhan arranges everything. Many kinds of pastimes in Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan, he makes many groves. Gufa. Cave. Cave. Pramada Madanila Kandari Kandari Terasundam. Idikilokanaartha Lagna Kastu Dayurme Nija Nikata Nivasanam Dehi Govardhanatam. Raghunath Das Goswami. Very nicely glorified our Giriraj Govardhan. Pramada Madana Lila Kandari Kandarite. Radha Krishna and Gopis, they are perform sweet, very sweet and secret Armas pastimes in the cave of Giriraj Govardhan. So Giriraj Govardhan in this way serve. Giriraj Govardhan, he makes many kinds of kunja, many kinds of flowers, fruits are coming in there. Not only this, Giriraj Govardhan manifested one kinds of stone that is called Sugandha Silai. Sugandha Silai, one kinds of fragrant stone. Just you put water, wrap your hand, then you can say, then perfume coming. Sweet Sugandha. And still also that stone is there. Sometimes you are going and put in water and we wrap your hand, and 7 days your hand automatically what? A reddish color and sweet fragrance. Free fragrance, no need to pay. No need to go beauty parlor, nothing. Young ladies, young girls, they are going beauty parlor, putting here something, the reddish color. Are go to Giriraj Govardhan. Go to Giriraj Govardhan, that Sugandhi Sila. Put water and wrap your hand and put your hair cheeks. And cheeks were very nice, beautiful, shining. No need to pay beauty parlor. Giriraj Govardhan. And gopis, they also collect that the stone and also giving the gopi dot. And they very nice. Yes. हंता उद्री अवला हृदास वर्जु जत राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमोदो मानंग तनति सहगोप गणे पानीय सुजवस कंदर कंदमूल. And many kinds of fruits under the ground. Many kinds of roots coming there also. And the spontaneous taking out from the ground of Giriraj Govardhan, and they are eating. And very sweet and roots. They are eating. And they are playing. Many kinds of also stone. And they are also playing as like guitar sitar. Very nice, beautiful sound coming. That is called Sanskrit word. That is called Bhajan Sila. If you Giriraj Govardhan, still that also stone. That is called what name? Bhajan Sila. Understand? Now need playing the guitar. Dun, 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 dun. But that time also what? Krishna himself taking that the stone and playing. And still if you go and just you do this way, then other side, very nice sweet sound coming. That is Sanskrit. That Sila, his name is called Bhajan Sila. Mukut Sila. Many kinds of Giriraj Govardhan. And if you go Giriraj Govardhan, you do Parikrama Giriraj Govardhan, you can see many kinds of things. Mukut Sila is there also. Where Srimati Radhika, she kept her mukut, throne, and crown. And that time also Giriraj Govardhan Sila melted, and Srimati Radhika's crown, what is a print in there? That is called Mukut Sila. Mukut Sila. Giriraj Govardhan is. Ratna Vedi, very nice, beautiful throne for Radha and Krishna. That is called Ratna Vedi, Ratna Singhasan. Everything is Giriraj Govardhan. So now coming in this way, so Srimati Radhika, she is saying these words. Venu Gitas. Je hantai udri obala haridasu varju jat rama krishna charana sparsha pramodu pranam paniyo sujavasa kandra kanda modu. Chalo, Hesakis, we have to take shelter. If we will go to serve Giriraj Govardhan, no one stop to us. Understand? So gopis, they are thinking, Srimati Radhika saying, we'll go. Serve Giriraj Govardhan. Then automatically we will meet with our beloved Krishna again. Jatila, Kutila, they never stop to Srimati Radhika to worship Giriraj Govardhan. Chalo, yeah. If Srimati Radhika would say, I am going to serve Giriraj Govardhan, then okay, go. Giriraj Govardhan give everything to us. So Srimati Radhika is saying this. Antaya Udriya Bola Haridas Varjo Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparasa Pramoda Manang Tanati Sahagopaganai Paniya Sujabasa Kandara Kandamulai. So I am saying with the Raganuka Bhaktis, how is good? Same mood of Brajbasi, Brajgopis. And this mood, how will get? Only the association of sadhu sangha. These types of sadhu. So Raganuka so is saying this way sadhu sangha. Sajati asa snigdho sato vari Srimad Bhagavata Nam Rasa Ashaddate. Prabhupada Goswami Pad also explain one by one. Adu Saddha Tato Sadhu Sangha. Sadhu Sangha is Sajatiya Asay Snigdha Sato vari. Same mood. You have to same mood of the sadhus associated with. Sadhu Sangha. Sajatiya Sadhu Sangha. Snigdha, one heart is very neat and clean and love and affection with us. Sato vari, he is senior to me, he is very expert to all Tattva Siddhanta, Bhajan Siddhanta, Tattva Siddhanta, two Siddhanta. One is called Bhajan Siddhanta and is called Tattva Siddhanta. Bhajan means seva. He is expert to serve all kinds of service. A Tattva Siddhanta, he knows the all Tattva Siddhanta. philosophy. Every philosophy we have to know. Mayavad philosophy, everything we have to know. We have to know, learn also Mayavad philosophy. Gurudev manifested Bhakti Bhagwan Kesar Goswami book. What is it called? Beyond Nirvana. Nice Granth. You have to read this book. Otherwise you will confused. Because for many people they are thinking, Kapilavastu Buddha, he is Bhagavan. Actually, he is not Bhagavan. Understand? People, they don't know. Who thinks he is that Buddha is Bhagavan? No. Who is Bhagavan? For this regard, Jayadev Goswami Pad very clearly explained which Buddha is original Buddha. So Bhakti Pragyan Kesar Goswami Pad manifested this book and explained 18 Buddhas' name also explained there. How many? 18. Athara Buddha. And not only one Buddha. So who is the original Buddha? Understand? They explain this. Anjana Sutta Buddha. Not the son of Suddhadan, who was born in Nepal. That Buddha is not Bhagavan. Anjana Sutta Buddha is the real Bhagavan. So now coming to the Tattva Siddhanta name. Mayavad philosophy, Vaishnava philosophy, Sampradaya Vichar, Sri Brahma Rudra, Sanak, Sri Brahma Rudra and Sanak Sampradaya Vichar have to learn. Every Siddhanta. So Tattva Siddhanta and then also Rasa Siddhanta. It's part of this. So Sadhu Sangam is this. Sajatya Sniddha Satori Srimad Bhagavatam Nama Rasa. Then you release and Srimad Bhagavatam Nego Kalpatar Galita Phalam Sukha Mukhad Amrita Drava Samjitam Pivata Rasa Malang Muhuro Rusika Bhuvi Bhavuka. And Rasik and Bhavukjan only can release the very nice, beautiful, juicy fruit. Srimad Bhagavatam. There is no any seed, no skin, only rasa malayam. Srimad Bhagavatam. So saying this, Nigama kalpatarur galita phalam, sukha mukhad amritam, sukha mukhad amritam, drava samjitam, pivata bhagmata rasa malayam, muhuro rasika bhuvi bhavuka. So sadhu sangha. Sadhu Sangha is going where? Giriraj Govardhan, topmost Sadhu Sangha. Go there. If you want to Gopi Bhajan, you have to take shelter with Giriraj Govardhan. Sarva Giriraj Govardhan. Without Giriraj taking shelter of Giriraj Govardhan, Gopi Bhav will not come. Understand? Every day serve Giriraj Govardhan. Every day glorify to Giriraj. Bolo Giriraj Maharaj ki jai. Every day do parikrama, Giriraj Govardhan parikrama. Not one day, every day. When you wake up in the morning, do parikrama Giriraj Govardhan. Understand? Giriraj Govardhan. Sadhu Sangha, who is a topmost sadhu. Giriraj. Because Srimati Radhika herself glorified. Giriraj Govardhan, topmost Haridas. Learn one slok is enough. Hanta Udri Avala Haridaso Varju Jat Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramodo Manang Tanati Sahago Pagoni Panio Sujavasa Kandara Kandamuri. Giriraj Govardhan. Every day you recite Vishwanath Chakravarti Giriraj Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan Astakam. Raghunath Das Goswami is glorification of Giriraj Govardhan. So now coming Sadhu Sangha, then Bhajana, Sadhu Sangha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya. Bhajana Kriya also two types. Nishtita Bhajan and the Anishtita Bhajan. Anishtita Bhajan, 6 types of Anishtita Bhajan. Utsamai, Ghanatadala, Buddha Vikalpa, Visay Sangara, and Niyamak Shama, then Tarangarangi. Need many times. And 3-4 days need class. This thing. Explain one by one how to live. So sadhu sangha, bhajana kriya, anartha nritti. Then nishtha will come. Steadiness. Nishtha actually this is what backbone of our bhajan and sadhu. Nishtita bhajan. Then after nishtita bhajan, ruchi will come. Adu saddha tatu sangha bhajan kriya, anartha nivritti. Adu saddha tatu sadhu sangha bhajan kriya, anartha nivritti. Anartha I told 5 kinds of anarthas, how to free from. Now 4 types of anartha. Sarup Brahm, Hidaya Durvalla, what is called? Asat Trishna and Aparad. Anartha. Then Nishtha will come. Then after Nishtha, then Ruchi. Taste will come. Ruchi also means 2 types of Ruchi. Vastu Vaishishta Apekshane, Vaishishta Anapekshane Ruchi. Then Asakti will come. Asakti means deep attachment. So, actually all this is called sadhana bhakti, shraddha to asakti. Understand? Vaidhi sadhan and also both is called, another is called raganuga sadhan. Understand? Both are named both Vaidhi sadhan and raganuga sadhan. Just only the Vaidhi sadhan leads to Vaikuntha, or raganuga leads to Guru Vrindavan. In the same way, out comes in Bhav. Bhav going to, if you Vaidhi sadhan, you are in Bhav is going towards Vaikuntha. And then Raganuga, then going to Golu Vrindavan. In the same way, Prem, Vaikuntha Prem, another is called Braja Prem. This. Actually, what is called one is Oisarjamai, another is called Madhurjamai. Understand? It's simple way. So sadhu sangha, so sadhana bhakti. But another things also again also explain. Bhav is not sadhana. Bhav that is called kripa sadhana. Suddha satta viseshatma prema sujjang sambhavako ruchi vichitta smarchana kridasu bhavochati. Yesterday I told this katha also. And when sadhu's heart will be neat and clean as like crystal. Understand? And that time in that the what is it called? On the platform of Sandhini, then Sambit and Fadil will manifest. Shuddha Satta Visana Prema Sun Samubhago Ruchi Vichitta Smarshikita Subhagavachati. Then by the causeless mercy of eternal Asuta Krishna, they are one the sprinkle of bhav mood and manifest in your heart. That time your heart will be very soft. And so much taste will come to listen Braj Katha. And if you receive just one the sprinkle the mercy of Brajavas, and so much eagerness, taste will come. Hitkarana Rasayana Katha. Your heart and ears will be what? Dancing in ecstatic mode. Aho. More and more. Piu, piu, piu. Jato paro piu. You can drink more. Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha. What do you say? Kripa. Bhakti, this is sadhan. That is called bhav. Bhav is not sadhan. And bhav actually coming is called kripa sadhan. And by this mercy of bhakta or by the mercy of Krishna, you receive the bhav. Bhav, according to bhav, you cannot get. But you have to practice sadhan. You are sadhan. But you, when you receive the mercy of Nityasiddhas Parikar of Lord, Bhagavad Parikar, then you receive bhav. So here Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this bhav also coming in 2 ways. One is called sadhan abhiniveshaja, sadhan abhinivesaja, or one is called kripa nivesha. Sadhan, you do sadhan. And then when that they will be pleased with you, they will get. That is so far that is called sadhan abhinivesha. Only your sadhan you cannot get. But you when you do sadhan, that time you get it. Now kripa abhinivesha, if you not sadhan, they will give ahituki kripa. And that is called kripa sabda. That is called ahituki kripa. And that is called prasadaja, kripa. That prasad also two types of prasad. One is called bhakta prasadaja, and another is called bhagavad prasadaja. Understand? The mercy of coming from devotee, that is called bhakta prasadaja. Or another mercy is coming from Krishna, Krishna prasadaja kripa. By the mercy of Krishna. But Krishna prasadaja kripa, the mercy of Krishna, that is very, very rare, katanchit. You can get. Because Bhagavan, he has achinta sakti. And he has, that is called your inconceivable potential. Achinta sakti. He can give mercy. But that Bhagavad Prasadaja Kripa, the mercy of Lord Krishna, that is very, very rare. Understand? But Bhakta Prasadaja Kripa, this is available. The mercy of the devotee. Bhakta Prasadaja Kripa. Like with the association Narada Rishi. Many devotees they received Bhava. And with the association Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Many devotees they attain Bhava. Very simple. Possible everything. Bhakta Prasadaja Kripa. So, only observe how to associate sadhu sangha, harikatha. Bhagavad Lila Kathamritam. Tava Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam Kavi Vireditam Kalama Sahapaham Sravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinhanti Te Bhurida Jana. Tava Kathamritam. Krishna Katha is what? Sweet nectar. Gopsimati Radhika herself uttered this verse. Hey Krishna, your katha, your pastime is like sweet nectar. Amrit. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalma sahapam. Sravana mangalam. Sravana mangalam. If you listen Krishna katha, automatically all kinds of auspiciousness manifest in your heart. Mangal mangalam. Krishna katha, Govinda katha. Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kavi vireditam kalma sahapaham. Kalma apaham. All kinds of kalmas means sinful activity. Pap will be destroyed. Kalma sapaham. Sarvana mangalam simadatam. Bhuvi grinnanti bhuridajana. Bhuridajana, one who glorifies sweet pastimes of Krishna. He is called the best Krishna kathamritam. Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. Govinda Damo Dharma Daveti. So now coming this way, just I finish this katha. But have to practice sadhan. Sadhan vina saddha vastu prapti nahi hai. Again also claim. Without sadhan, you cannot attain your perfection, ultimate goal. So Raganuga Bhakti is sadhan. How many types of Raganuga Bhakti sadhan? 5. 5 types of sadhan. Again tell you. What is that? That is called Bhavamai, Bhav Samandhi, and Bhav Anukul, Bhav Aviruddha, or Bhav Viruddha. Sanskrit word. Okay, explain it. Bhav Samandhi. Raganuga bhajan practice have to 5 process. First I also explain that is called the Bhav Samandhi. You have to accept one specific Bhav mood. Especially Braj. Dasa, Sakha, Vatsal and Madhuja. 4. Among these 4, one mood You have to accept. Understand? Four primary relationship of Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya are known as the Bhav Sambandhi. So you have to accept one mode. So the first, that is called Bhav Sambandhi. In Bhavamai Sam. First what is it? Bhavamai. Meaning you have to take one specific mood. Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya or Madhurya. Among these four, you choose one. Understand? So that is called Bhav Mahisadhan. Then Bhav Sambandhi, which are related with your mood, that types of katha you listening. You have to listen. The angas of bhakti beginning from the acceptance of the shelter of spiritual master, mantra jap, that kinds of mantra you have to receive from Guru. Krishna mantra, Gopal mantra, Govinda Gopijana Vallabh mantra. Understand? In this mantra, three moods are there: Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya mood. So we have good intents about that word. So you are saying the mantra jap, hearing, you have to listen that kinds of katha. And if you have Vatsalya bhav, you have to listen Dambandhan katha. Jani kani jagitani tadbalaga charitani. Dadi manthana samay Ma Jasudha. When she was chanting the Jogat and she is singing very nice sweet pastimes of Krishna, Bal Gopal Katha, singing. So if you have Vatsalya bhav, parental modes, then you sing this. Jani kani chagitani tadbalaga charitani dadi nirmanthana samaya. Sukadeva Goswami was told. Dadi nirmanthana samaya. When Mother Jashoda is chanting the Jogat, dadi nirmanthana. What she is singing? Remembering her babies, Gopal Krishna, Bal Charit Katha, and sweet melodies. Govinda Damodar Madhave. Govinda Avi Mamage Kele. Govinda will come in my house and play. Or if you are Madhurya mood, then remembering very nice, beautiful, almost pastimes of Radha and Krishna. How Radha Krishna they are meeting in Surya Kunda, Radha Kunda, Kusum Sarovar. Do you understand? And you understand, no problem. Listen. So, Nam Mantra, chanting holy names. When you chant holy names, Hare Krishna means Radha Krishna. How Radha and Krishna are meeting together. And how they also separate together. Meeting is separate. This katha. Dekhiya Urunodoy Vrinda Devi Bastoy Kunja Nana Rob Uthaiga. How Radha and Krishna they are meeting in the Kunja. And early in the morning, how Vrinda Devi, she also, what is called, Jagati hai.
Wakes up.
Wakes up to both. This katha, Dekhiya Urunodoy Vrinda Devi Bastoy Kunja Nana Rob Uthailo. Sukasari Paddasuni Uthe Radha Nirmani. According to the instruction of Vrinda Devi, then Radha and Krishna, they wake up. Then Krishna, he went to Nandagaon, and Srimati Radhika, she went to Javat. This meeting separation, meeting separation. So when you chant holy names, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. How Radha Krishna meeting and separation. Prem always this way. Meeting and separation and meeting. Milan, Viraha, Milan. And remembering the name from qualities and pastimes. When you chant holy names, sometimes you chant Krishna's Madhur Naam, sweet names. Laseswari, Vinodini, Bhanukula Chandra. Kitna sun. Very sun. Nice. Radhe Govinda Jaya, Sri Radhe Govinda. We are singing. Radhe Govinda Jaya, Sri Radhe Govinda, Jai Jai Radha Ramana Ras Bihari, Sri Gokula Nanda, Jai Jai Raseswari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra, जय जय ललिता विशाखा आदि जत सखे वृंद जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी अन्नंग जय जय पूर्णमासी जोग माया जत वीरा वृंद जय जय राधे गोविंद जय राधे गोविंद. Bhaktivinoda Thakur composed this verse. Sometimes people are thinking about your composition. I mean, not this is not Bhaktivinoda Thakur kirtan like that. Sometimes they are writing, Maharaj, this is your song, you composed. This is Kamal Manjari, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He did Guti Kucha. A nice song or not?
Yeah.
Radhe Govinda Jaya, Sri Radhe Govinda. Jai Jai Syama Sundara Madan Mohan Vrindavana Chandra. Jai Jai Raseshwari. Srimati Radhika name is called Raseshwari. If your name is Raseshwari, aha, okay. Raseshwari, Srimati Radhika, she is the supreme controller of Ras. Her name is called Raseshwari. Binodini, Radha Binodini. What is your name? Radha Binodini. Raseshwari Binodini. Nice. Automatically, heart will be overjoyed. Name automatically words. Overjoyed heart. And if you know little bit first times of Krishna, then you cannot tolerate yourself. Automatically heart melts and cattle. Raseshwari Vinodini Bhanukula Chandra. Lalita Visakha Adi Jata Sakavindra. Sirupa Manjari Rati Manjari Ananga. Rati Manjari. Right? All Manjari are there. What is your name? Name coming. Rati Priya. Rati Manjari. Okay, and first time approach the different periods of the difference and in this way that is called Bhav Samandhi. Mantra job. I told same type that types of mantra job, chanting that types of name, hearing the sweet pastimes of Krishna, name fame, this or Sanatana Goswami Pada Brihad Bhagavatam. What is this one? What is this? Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Hasi Yasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallavi Vanaradhikesha. Nice name. So now coming in this way. So have to chant Nam mantra. This is called Bhav Samandhi. Bhav Anukul. Those were the favorable of your Bhav. Bhav Anukul. That is called you have to observe Ekadasi. Understand? Observation? Ekadasi. Ekadasi Palan. The observance of Ekadasi, Janmashtami, Kartik Vrat, the renunciation of senses and pleasure and other austerities, many kinds of austerities, simple austerities, Ekadasi Palan, Janmashtami, Radhashtami, Gaur, Punim, that is called here, Bhav Anukul. Then Bhav Aviruddha. Aviruddha, that is not favorable or not unfavorable. That is called neutral. That is called Go Brahmana Seva. Go Brahmana Seva. That is called neutral. Simple way. And then Bhav Pratikul. What is the Bhav Pratikul? Those were against of our Bhav. What is that? There is Nyas, Mudra, and Tarakadhyan, especially Tarakadhyan. Meditation of Taraka. This should be. So in this way, bhajan and sadhan, then you will attain your highest perfection. So Raganuga bhajan, 5 process. Again I will explain. That is called Bhavamai. Second, Bhav Samandhi. Then Bhav Anukul. Then Bhav Aviruddha. अध्ययन भाव प्रतिकूल। बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे राम, राम राम
One. Just ask him. There's one.
बोलो जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन। मुकुटमणि जय गोपी, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। राधे 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 श्याम, राधे राधे श्याम, राधे 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 श्याम, राधे राधे श्याम, राधे श्याम जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन, राधे श्याम जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन। ओ मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ही जीवन, मेरो एक प्राण धन एक ही जीवन। सखी नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन, श्री नंदन नंदन मदन मोहन राधिका रमन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। ओ श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार, श्यामी मेरो भक्ता, श्यामी सो मेरो प्यार, श्यामी मेरो भक्ता। अरे श्यामी समायो आठो जन तन मन की, श्यामी समायो आठो जन तन मन की। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। ओ नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम, नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम, नित्य सेवा नित्य धाम, नित्य पाऊं आठो जाम। ठाकुर रुचि सोई ठाकुर रानी, ठाकुर रुचि सोई ठाकुर रानी की। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। बोलो राधे 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 श्याम, राधे राधे श्याम श्याम, राधे 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 श्याम, राधे राधे श्याम श्याम, राधे श्याम जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन, राधे श्याम जुगल नाम मेरो है जीवन। जय राधे जय कृष्ण जय वृंदावन, रसिका मुकुटमणि जय गोपी। बोलो हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरि बोल हरि ओके दोबारा दे। ओए कमला
उसका जन्मदिन है।
है किसका?
तुलसी का।
अच्छा तुलसी का माला।
Oh,
माला।
there's a bag of petals on the side of the bottom where the fan is, peacock fan.
Yeah, but
No.
Okay, the flower.
sit down. No, I mean the writing's better.
Okay, give the flower to everybody's hand. बोलो ओम तद्विष्णु परमं पदं सदा
सदा
पश्यन्ति
पश्यन्ति
सूरयो दिविव चक्षुराततं ब्रह्मणो
ब्रह्मणा
देवाय
देवाय
ओ ब्रह्मणो हिताय च
हिताय च
जगद्धिताय
जगद्धिताय
कृष्णाय
कृष्णाय
गोविन्दाय
गोविन्दाय
नमः विष्णु 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 ओम स्वस्ति नो गोविंद स्वस्ति नो अच्युतानंतो स्वस्ति नो ओनो भागवतो ददातु माधवो माधवो वाची माधवो माधवो हृदि स्मरन्ति साधव सर्वे सर्व कार्येषु माधव लाभस्तेषा जस्तेषा सुतस्तेषा पराभव जेषाम् इन्दिरवर श्याम हृदयस्थो जनार्दन ॐ स्वस्ति सर्वमङ्गलं भवतु तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. Don't go to Maya. And stop Radha and Krishna. You understand? English understand? All chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Squash tomatoes are sweet.
Happy birthday to you.
And chant Krishna mantra, okay? Gopal mantra.
Hare Krishna.
Good. Prasad ji. गरम गरम
अभी बनाए आपने लिए
बचे तुमने
ये
My right hand.
थैंक यू Okay, what did you not take? Come. Say.